If you've been eyeing some gothic or alternative fashion accessories online and stumbled across gorechic.com, you might want to pause before hitting that checkout button. Gorechic.com claims to offer stylish and edgy pieces for women, but is it actually legit or just another sketchy online store? While the site looks polished and trendy, there are several red flags that make it hard to fully trust. For starters, it says it was founded in 2022, but domain records show it was actually registered in 2023, raising questions about transparency. Most product images appear to be generic stock photos, which makes it unclear what you'll really receive. Prices also seem steep compared to similar stores, and although the site has a 4.2 star rating on Trustpilot, many of the detailed reviews paint a very different picture. Common complaints include tracking issues, slow or unresponsive customer service, and products that look cheap or don't match the images. Some frustrated buyers even mentioned filing chargebacks after bad experiences. Still, a few customers did receive their orders without issues, so the site isn't 100% scam, but it definitely isn't 100% trustworthy either.